heard he talking to them people, so I gotta deal with him. Clip was too short, so I had to go extend it. Bitch, I'm out the game, please don't make me steal niggas. Your clique full of bitch niggas, they know that we build different. Oh yeah, I'm built different, yeah, key he build different. Ooh, KG, I'm built different. 700 trill nigga, they know that we build different, gang.
Named yourself after food. I bet when he writing, he say he in the kitchen too. You can't tell me nothing, hungry ass nigga. You came to cook something, you here for a plate, eat food, smoke something, till he bite the leg utensil to catch food poisoning. I am bigger than you, dog. I only look 6'1". Inside I'm 1,000 pounds and 10 feet tall. You don't intimidate me at all. You've been this size your whole life. My nigga, you small. Who the fuck am I in front of? Nobody at all. So that giant around here, Jack, and your beam is what the beam start. I rap like a giant. I rap like a giant. My bar should say feet 5 4 phones. So if you want to feel a feet, feel a 5. I got the 4 phone. I'm no marshmallow. What I pull will make the skin crackle and pop. Fruit Loop, the long nose on this bird will knock the teeth out. I mean several. He will never get the story straight. All we'll hear is fruity pebbles, copper tops. Yo, copper tops, politics, types to twist niggas' legs. I don't believe nothing he say. So I switch rounds on this fruit like tricks of a kid. If he leak, catch a bowl of smacks. Dig him from. I mean this bitch for breakfast. And I fuck up everything I make him. Let's grab the toast, crack an egg, then gets the bacon. Grab the toast, crack an egg, then gets the bacon. I open this oven, the heat rise, you have to face it. The tray I pull, grip perfect, like a thick meat. No grand rounds to give Doughboy a burnt biscuit. I can do this all day, yo. I can do this all day, yo. I'll put a toaster for your egg, yo. Crack a shell, show your egg, yo. When I cast iron and y'all scramble when I pan the handle. So at breakfast time, bruh, I put something warm in your cup. To fold yours will be the best part of waking up except in a Starbucks. Then I seen Arsenal versus Hall of Dawn for 10 sacks on the pool table. Whew. That's when I got inspired. You see, I love the way I say a hotline and the crowd react, and they can see that I've been working on my penmanship and my chemistry. The way I land a haymaker and they feed off of my demon energy. You see, I plan on putting on for this shit. And I need you to see where I'm coming with this. Because everybody want to be in the mix until the chemistry's in. Everybody want to be in the mix until the chemistry's in. But see, you see how I do my thing? You see, I came from the lane of cinnamon and spice. Ain't for this bitch, and we ain't been nothing nice. You see how I did with that? You see how I'm showing other niggas that there's more than one way to do your thing? Other than making it closer to put an RIP to your name? See, I plan on doing this shit all the way to the top. Non-stop. But let's stay wasn't stirring the pot. You niggas would have a soft if I wasn't stirring the pot. But let me get off of that bullshit and get back to killing this stupid little bitch. Don't get mad that you gotta die today, my friend. And think Juice WRLD, cause I'll let it peel. They keep letting it peel. They keep letting it peel.
Why you doing them like that?
Cause I don't let shit fly, my friend.
What the fuck?
Too early. It's just not fly, my friend. Cause all that shit talk, it sound like bitch talk. So I run up on you and beat your ass with you.
Yo, hold it down.
Hold it down. Cause all that shit talk, it sound like bitch talk. So I run up on you and beat your ass and you get dog walk. Just know I'm a young guard with the ATM. And I'll have you come up off there. Yeah, this is my pimp talk.
That's fine.
And Shardeezy, I appreciate you for showing me about the demon energy. Just know if he gets shy on me, I'm gonna rock him until he get dizzy. You see what I did with my energy?
Yeah, that's a fact.
Scheming, bro. You see what I did with my energy? And by the way, please don't come with none of that sugar and spice and everything nice. Cause even your sugar knows you fuck with spice, everything gonna be nice. And the reason why I call myself Spice, is I name myself after my hood, so you know where I'm from and where I'm at every day. And I'm cooking up a chef, nigga, so I didn't come to play. Cause at any time and any day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, bitch, you can become an entree. That's the problem with these niggas. They think they cooking, but they really ain't doing it right. Well, you gonna learn a lesson from me, little nigga, cause you can't have sauce if you ain't cooking with spice.
Yeah. Time.
I don't know what's wrong with you, man. Your initials are BS. You got bullshit in your name.
God damn.
Then we get rapping at BlackSmith. That BS is insane. After I crack his head with a BlackSmith, he gonna have a BS on his brain. Nothing even matters. Nothing even matters. Y'all gonna need answers. He'll just be lying, running back with more BS. Barry Sanders. Whoa. I got some shit to make your belly ache. Like it's crunch time. Mac with the beat, I have him in the subline like it's lunchtime. When I basket, he'll drop, and in no time, I'll cook this greasy nigga potato. That's a French fry. Yo, bitch said you may have some confessions. You think they got the sauce in your cowboy costume you be ranch dressing?
I talk about it.
The way I leave him with the drip, I bet his chick dip, cause honey, mustard, I'll make a chicken strip. I promise I'll leave her, but you catch a round or a slice. Since it's me you want a piece of. I got these rounds for you, dog. I ain't talking small ones neither. And you catch, I ain't talking small ones neither. You catch the extra large special like it came with 2 sides and a 2 liter. I'm super with the sayings. I'm super with the sayings. And everybody wanna be Goku, fam. Well, I'm his son from a different universe. My name is Gohan. And I am not mellow. This tell a big beam hello. I ate the monkey when I power up and make this nigga turn yellow. And I make this nigga turn yellow. Or for you, green when I get action, nigga. You claim that you Broly, but you look like Nappa, nigga. You claim you Broly, but you look like Nappa, nigga. I give you a ball head, like Nappa, nigga. With a gun that's yelling, that a Nappa, nigga. I'm King Cold to your beach. Of her universe, I'm the ruler. When she in heat, if you don't freeze her, brother, I'm a cooler. And she know what I'm into. She sucked my soul too. Had me feeling I could switch bodies. Captain, get me! That's rare. Dragon Ball Z flips, nigga.
Fuck you, See, y'all niggas walk around here doing what you want. Well, it's the wrong time. See, y'all stay wearing these flags out, nigga, like it's fun time. When my OG told me the only time you put your flag out, nigga, when it's war time. And the way you got me feeling, you got me feeling like it's war time.
Why
Cause they know at the step of my finger you can get your life took with a right hook, big blade. Could his arm all turn Buckie into White Wolf. With a big blade. Could his arm all turn Buckie into White Wolf. See, I never been pussy. When OG put the gun in my hand, I let it spark. And you from Atlanta, right?
Yeah.
Well, I let it fly like a Atlanta hawk. And in the end, see, I never been pussy. When OG put the gun in my hand, I let it spark. And you from Atlanta, right? Well, I let it fly like a Atlanta hawk. Because in the end, this can't hold 64. And you the perfect dog. And just know when I'm out on the road, I fend for myself. That's a street shark.
Oh, that's fire.
But see, you dead, dummy. Get your body wrap and be a part of my history. Now you a dead mummy. And you mad bummy. The nigga thought he had drive till he hit this wall. Now you a crash dummy.
Let's go.
But your shit weak. Now you find your way up Shit Creek, Blitzkrieg. You thought you had flow, but I be damn, you got me. Big rifle. Left.
Rap, nigga.
With your shit
Rap,
weak.
nigga.
You don't find your way up Shit Creek, Blitzkrieg. You thought you had flow, but I be damn, you got me. Big rifle. Left eye through the scope. Since the nigga acting silly. This your man's? Bow! Well, tell T-Boz it's about to get chilly. Well, tell T-Boz it's about to get chilly, because I'm not like niggas. Out here rapping about packs and making stacks. And I ain't doing none of that, but I'm still a real street nigga. And that's all facts. That's no cap. See, I'm the Best Buy, and I'm taking you out of business for your high price and your bullshit products. Like Radio Shack. You think you gonna beat me?
Yep.
Nigga, not today. You must think something sweet. Creme brulee. When just know what spice with the cooking is always good. Like etouffee. That's the problem with you niggas. You think you cooking, but you really ain't doing it right. Well, you can learn that from me, little nigga, because you can't have sauce if you ain't cooking with spice. Time, nigga.
Oh, now. Nigga, you said you from the land of cinnamon and spice. I wonder where these bullets land when I send them in a spice. Wow. Right up in his chest with zest. Like cinnamon for spice.
Let's go.
Make this nigga like dog to a hot sauce. That's my cinnamon for spice. Two blades, one named Sugar, the other everything nice. Let's see what this girl made of. After I put the sugar in spice, then give them everything nice.
Fucking rap.
I don't know why you was flexing like we can't get to hitting. Cause nigga, I will Popeyes and spicy chicken. I don't know where you got it brought at. You gonna have to take that shit back. When D.E.'s implanted to leave rounds and spice rap.
These niggas don't cook.
I will Popeyes and spicy chicken.
Hold it down, hold it down.
I said, I'm Popeyes and spicy chicken. I got a team and a best friend team.
Hold it down in the bed, hold it down in the bed.
Hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. Hey!
Hold it down.
I got a name and a best friend team for any cat words that push you. Y'all know what I mean? It'll be a pair of bitches pointing at a pussy. Boys. It'll be a pair of bitches pointing at a pussy. Three birds, and I ain't talking cocaine neither. More like rolled up in the Thunderbird with the eagle that gave him the middle finger. The fourth bird, after this hit his chest, it'll have Spice matching a Robin, red breast. You don't have to strike me as the getting girl type. Not cause you fat, cause you whack. You walk up on a bitch like, hey, my name's Spice. You want some spice in your life? Spice in your life? I mean, whoa, Spice. She said white people cookies. No, Spice. Did you think you could prepare me, Spice? They here to see who in America's Got Talent. And I don't find you scary, Spice.
Nice.
And I don't find you scary, Spice. I don't know what you thunk, nigga. You even end up on the trunk. Now I'm on the phone with Spice Girl, like, tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Yo, I said, your life. I said, your life. Gave him a throat slice. Now they found his body in the sink. Oh, Spicy! Nigga, I hit your bitch up for manscaping. I know you, yeah, for manscaping. I know you surprised that I know her, but she sucked every nigga in your seat. She's a leaf blower. I'm telling you. I ran into her on my way to the gas station. Her face was all in her pout. I looked at her and said, what's all that about? She said, I'm bored. I said, your man got a battle about to go down. She said, I ain't come to see no battle. I just want to get out of the house. I said, why you with a battle rapper? She said, because he's good with his mouth. So good, she rolled his face till his tooth came out. Oh. She said, now it's even better.
I got gall ahead.
But he can't say it because his face full of puss. So he got to give her a look, if not a grab or a push. Then he said a safe word. Guess what it was? Snaggle puss.
Hey, yo. You know what's funny?
Hold it down.
He said all this shit to fuck my name up. Well, it's funny. He's just saying all that shit because it's mad because I fucked this girl and she told him, hey, Buckie, I need you to spice shit up.
That's fine.
Too easy, bro.
I showed y'all I was good with money. Check the hand speed. Now they got me battling a black German nigga. Got me bucking at a Blitzkrieg. It's cool. Because just like your last name, I don't mind beating your ass at rapid speed. And just in case I ain't know, in German, Blitzkrieg means attacking at a rapid speed. You see, my last battle I ate is it too early to talk about Kobe? Because with these two foes, can't nobody hold me. I give them options, like take the shot or get them socked like Mick Foley. Or I get good with them and have my nigga from the 9 with a 9, give him 9 that's Lil Wody. But this should have been Diesel. If we would have battled, he would have died today. Got hit with the tray and the deuce. Because I'm the one with the magic to take him out. That's Penny Hardaway. But back to you, Big 40. Boy, you better meet your maker. You better pray to your Lord and Savior. Nah, I double up on him. You better pray the Lord come and save you. You see, I'm that heathen, the bigger demon that you heard about from the Reverend. Because I'm the one that turned this shit into 9/11. Because with 1-9, I'm giving him 11. Or he can die from the special gun. Bah! That's a 1911. See, I know to keep the Magnum P, because I be on the watch for pussies like you. Running your mouth, making shit hot. So you the reason why they laws got the hood? Mad lie. But I don't give a fuck, because I run up on you like a thief in the night. 38, bah! Like on this pig, like in the heat of the night, because you know, like the dark ass cop from in the heat of the night. They say, fuck them up, Spice. Do them breezy. Nah, I got something else for this fruit. But thinking shit was easy peasy. Bah! That's what led up to the lemon squeeze. That's the problem with these niggas. They think they cooking, but they really ain't doing it right. Well, you can learn lessons from me, little nigga, because you can't have sauce if you ain't cooking with spice.